Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Threads by Instagram not working. So you might be experiencing some problems on your new Threads application. So here are the easy solutions to fix that issue. So first, go to your Google Play Store. As we all know, Threads is a new app. So you will expect some frequent changes. So you can have to go to Play Store and frequently update your application. Then other solution right here to fix the issue is to check your internet connection. Yeah, if you gonna have some problem in your internet, so you might be considered to try this data connection instead of your Wi-Fi. So you can check if that is the problem. Or the next solution will be check Threads server status. So you can go on downtodexter.com and you'll find the Threads, and it will show you here all the reported problems on Threads. So you can notice if there's an issue. So all you need to do is just wait for a few hours and just go back to Threads. We'll just wait to Threads support team to just fix the issue right here. Then the next solution will be restart the Threads app. So you'll need to close the Threads app and then try to reopen the app. But if it's still not working, all you need to do is just to clear cache and cookies on your mobile phone. So go back to your home screen, tap and hold the Threads app like this one, and then tap on app info. Then be directly go to your settings where you can find this storage button. So tap that one and clear data. So right here, you can tap on clear cache or clear all data. Then after you done this one, you can now restart your mobile phone and try to reopen this Threads app. So that's how you basically fix the Threads app not working. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.